The Lord God said, "It is not good that the man should be alone. I will make him a helpmate."
Love is patient, that's what they say.
I, Odinaka, Magnus Sekocha, take you, Waneka, Edekwe, Amadi, to be my wife. I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I would love you and honor you all the days of my life.
Nneka is one of my best friends. I've known her for 17 years and she's actually one of the strongest women I know. She's always on top of everything. She's what you call a king woman, someone who is always ready to take charge. She's fearless and she's very kind-hearted. And I'm happy that she's getting married to the love of her life. And I wish her all the best.
I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I will love you and honor you all the days of my life.
Nneka is probably the smartest person I know, the best big sister in the world. So I'm so excited for her. I'm so happy that she found her person. And I can't wait to watch them grow as a couple. I'm Nneka's sister. Shout out to Nneka and Odinaka, my favorite couple in the world, my second parents, and I love you.
I am Nneka's younger sister, and I'm just so happy she found someone else to love her forever besides me.
Still can't get enough. Still can't get enough. Get enough. Oh, Jojo, more giving me